med 25. So let's talk about what Jeep stands for. Jeep is just shortened for general purpose. Jeep, GP, Jeep. But what it really stands for is just empty every pocket. So that was U.S. Border Patrol. So let's pull into here. Welcome to Canada. Good morning.
Hello, can I see your identification,
Of course,
please?
yes.
Where do you live? Okay, and why are you coming to Canada?
I'm traveling to Alaska.
And from
And then-
now until you get to the Alaskan border, how long will you be in Canada for?
Less than a week, maybe. I don't know how long.
You've never
Good.
done it before?
No, I've done it before, but it was been a long time ago.
Ah.
Like a long time ago when I was in the Army, I drove the Alcan.
Oh yeah,
So-
are you doing that same thing?
Yeah, doing the same thing, but this time as a civilian and as a posting things on YouTube and stuff like that.
Oh, okay, so you're going to be kind of a...
like a video tourist.
Like a video tour, there you go, thank
Yeah,
you. All right,
yeah.
cool, so about a week you say?
About a week, yeah. So no weapons, no firearms. You know, I've got everything in the back. The gas cans are empty. Probably not even going to fill those up until I get to Fairbanks because that Dalton Highway is, you know, there's, yeah.
I hear it,
And then
yeah.
the weather.
Oh
so,
yeah, well the weather is, we're supposed to be getting a big snowstorm today. And so you're not leaving anything in Canada on this trip? You're
no, sir.
driving
Just my
through?
pride. No, I'm just kidding.
Fair enough.
Yes, sir.
I love your F-bomb stickers, by the way.
Oh, thank you.
See you later.
Have a good one. Should have told him that, yeah, when he asked if I was going to be leaving anything in Canada, well, I'll be leaving some F-bombs. Welcome to Canada. All right, here we go. It is going to be a cold, nasty day, but it'll be good. So this is our first Canadian dirt road. They call a cattle guard at Texas Gate here. That's pretty cool. So today's going to be a very long day of driving. We're talking about 500 miles from the Canadian border to Whitecourt, Alberta. Gonna stay there a couple days, work on some of these videos. Hopefully between now and then, you know, I'll catch on to this algorithm. I'll start tagging my videos right. Maybe I'll start putting the thumbnails up there right to attract a little bit more attention, because it would be nice to be actually sharing this with a lot more people than I am. least one person to apologize for Nickelback.